Answer the question with me. A patient with road traffic accident had acute blood loss and was transfused with 1 unit of O negative whole blood mixed with 5% of dextrose. Later, the patient was found to be AB positive. Soon after the transfusion, the patient developed reddish urine that remained red even after centrifugation. What is the most likely complication in this patient? Pause the video, answer the question, and again restart the video. Most of us might have marked hemolytic transfusion reaction as the answer, but this is a wrong option. This is a wrong answer. Let me solve this for you. Bladder injury, first option, will not be the answer here because question stem clearly mention about some transfusion related issue. You see here that there is reddish urine that remain red even after centrifugation. What is this? When you see that there is some blood in the urine, you centrifuge this for 30 minutes. Okay, you centrifuge this for 30 minutes and assess the supernatant. If it is clear, then it is clearly RBCs will be present in the urine. If it is high colored, then it might be two things. One is hemoglobinuria, other will be myoglobinuria. Bladder injury इसलिए आंसर तो नहीं होगा. Osmotic lysis of RBC we will see. Rhabdomyolysis will not be the answer because question stem में क्रस इंजुरी रिलेटेड कुछ भी नहीं है. And hemolytic transfusion reaction we will differentiate between this two. Okay, hemolytic transfusion reaction क्यों होता है? It's because of ABO incompatibility. Okay, we have donor O negative. O negative में क्या है? A antigen, B antigen या RH antigen absent होता है. क्या present होता है? Anti A antibodies, anti B antibodies, but there is no RH antibodies unless the patient is sensitized. Okay, recipient कौन है? AB positive है. AB positive में A antigen होगा, B antigen होगा, RH एंटीजन भी होगा, लेकिन इसमें कोई एंटीबॉडीज नहीं प्रेजेंट होता है. सो ऑल ऑफ यू हैव थॉट कि येस यू हैव एंटीबॉडीज हियर. डोनर एंटीबॉडीज माइट हैव अटैक्ड द आरबीसीज ऑफ द रेसिपेंट एंड देयर मे बी lysis of the RBC, but this won't be the case here. Note that hemolytic transfusion reaction occur because of lysis of donor RBCs by the recipient antibody. So here donor antibodies attacking the recipient RBCs and causing lysine is a very rare case causing hemolysis and transfusion reaction. Okay, so this is some extra point for you. Acute hemolytic transfusion reaction versus delayed hemolytic transfusion reaction. Acute hemolytic transfusion reaction ABO incompatibility के वजह से होता है. Delayed recipient have prior exposure to RBC antigen and now you have done some transfusion and there is some amnestic response because of which IgG antibodies was there. So ये इसलिए होता है. ये 24 घंटे बाद होता है. ये occur within 24 hours. इसमें क्या specific signs होते हैं जैसे flank pain हो गया, fever हो गया, hemoglobinuriria, signs of impending doom, renal failure, DIC and Coombs test will be positive. So question stem do not have any kind of signs here. So hemolytic transfusion reaction तो आंसर नहीं होगा. So बचा क्या? Osmotic lysis of RBC, यही होगा आंसर. This might be because you have mixed the blood with 5% dextrose ना. That's why there will be lysis of the RBCs. So thank you for watching. Comment below what next topic do you want to know.